Hello everyone, welcome to the Humble Servant Homestead. Guys, today just came out here and guess what? Hear that same noise right there, and the goat just had the baby. I'm breathing a little hard because gotta get these chickens away.
She just laid on down. That one looks like a boy. I'm not sure yet. Oh, well, okay. Once I was in a pretty bad position to be able to catch the bird of that one coming on out. It is out and moving, so another healthy baby. Looking like Esau and Jacob.
Hey guys, so we are here. The babies, they are doing pretty good. She had 2 so far. She just fed them up. They just had their colostrum, which is pretty good. That's always a good sign. And just being able to have them get on that nipple so that, if they don't feed, because definitely we don't want to have to bottle feed these babies. So, one of the good thing is just making sure and seeing that they are nursing. And if they wasn't nursing, what we would do, we would go ahead and, help them to get on that nipple. And as you guys can see, they're nursing in the wrong spot right now. But hey, like I said, they already had some milk. We kind of encourage them to get on over there on the nipple. And of course, that's not our goal to help mom or anything like that. We'd love for her to go ahead and do everything, on her own to get them going. But they're standing up now, and hey, they're looking pretty strong and healthy. It was pretty amazing. We have a couple of neighbors here that was able to, see it for the first time, and they was enjoying it. Hello everyone, welcome back again guys to the Humble Servant Homestead. This is our second goat that is getting ready to give birth. She's actually in the process right now. This one right here was the one that gave birth, I want to say 2 days ago. And here come mama right here. She is getting ready to, just want to stay real still, because she is actually one of our goat that is very skittish. And, just want to kind of keep my distance away from her so, she can have her time to herself to do what it is that she needs to do. All right, guys, we will bring you guys back shortly once she is getting close. Guys, crazy thing is, now there's a baby in the corner. I don't know if you guys can see the baby there in the corner. It's a little bit dark, and the baby is dark as well. But what it is, the mom is actually trying to bond with that baby, which is not her baby. It's the one that had, her kids 2 days ago. So, we're just here waiting right now. She's been pushing a little bit, but nothing serious yet. But yeah, guys, so she is crying a little bit. I guess, labor pain. But she is doing good so far. I can see the foot, but I haven't seen. Yep, here it comes, guys. Oh, see, that's what's keep going on. She keep getting up, sitting down, getting up, sitting down. So. And while we are here waiting on mom, guys, this is the one that dropped twins 2 days ago. Just was caring for the baby a while ago, and we'll just give you guys a little view of that. And mom has been doing a real great job with the babies. So, okay, guys, so she is pushing now. I think she is getting close, guys. Come on, mama. Come on. Come on. I know, mama. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. Push. Come on, mama. Come on. You got it. You got it. Oh. Okay, guys. So she was trying real hard a while ago. And I'm thinking this is her first time, guys, having babies. That's why she's having such a hard time. Now, this goat here is actually about, I want to say 2.5 years, 3 years old. And we bought him from somebody. They had him, as a pet, probably from a baby. And we bought this goat from them. So that's why I'm thinking it is her first time giving birth, because it's a little bit, not complicated, but, she's having a hard time. And we'll bring you guys back shortly when she's getting ready to go again. Okay, guys. So it looks like we are back in action again. She is actually hiding from me. She is pushing. Okay. Oh, be careful, mama. Come on, mama. I know, mama, I know. Come on, come on. And we have the head out, guys. Oh, there she go, guys. She done did it. Nice, pretty baby. So just gonna go ahead and give her some time to bond with the baby. And look at her, guys. That baby look like he is ready to get up. Wow. I'm thinking she's, gonna have, I'm thinking probably one, because her stomach was pretty small, but hey, I know mom had a hard time because labor, there was a hard labor for her. But she did good. That baby came out, hit the ground a little hard, but he jumped up like, man, what just happened? So, just giving mom some time to bond with the baby. And, we're going to definitely keep a close eye on both of them, especially the young one, and man, she's looking, I'm saying he or she, I'm not sure what it is just yet, and guys, the funny thing is, we have spot on the inside for them to have their babies and stuff like that, but you know what, they choose to have them outside, but hey, I guess she got the space to roam. I can't tell her what to do. Of course, after all, it is a goat, right? But she's doing a good job, man. I mean, even if it is her first time, she is doing a real good job cleaning up that baby, banding, and see he blowing, just trying to blow that fluid out of his or her mouth. And this baby here, guys, the dad is actually a Kiko buck. I have a big boy down there in the bottom pen, and the mom is a Sanian. Of course, when they're giving birth, you definitely want to go ahead and kind of separate them from the male, you know, because you don't want that male go to messing with them right after giving birth, you know. So what we will do here in this, give this mom about 3 months to go ahead and, just nurture the young one. And once we go ahead and wean the baby, or wean the kid from off the mom within 3 months time, then we will be going ahead and put her back out in the field with the billy, So, we definitely give our goats over here time to heal up and get strong and, healthy, make sure everything is good with them health-wise before we put them back out, with our billies. And for some reason, guys, same thing happened 2 days ago. The billy, I think he just know when these mom up here is giving birth, because he's down there hollering, and that's what he did 2 days ago when, this mom here gave birth to twins. Yes, sir. And like I said, mom is doing a wonderful job, But guys, this is it here, and we will bring you guys back once you get the baby cleaned up and, we're able to see what the gender is. And we'll bring you guys back for that. Thank you guys for watching.